Hey guys, Brian back with the Polygon MATIC token update here. Wanted to just check in with you guys and take a look at these charts real quick. All right, we definitely have some action ready to get here. Hopefully it happens soon. We have some major RSIs about to reset on MATIC. And the last time these have reset, there's been 100%, 200% moves with this thing. So I'm going to show you that in a second. I wanted to show you this article real quick. Polygon records the largest token shift by whales on the network in 2023. If we go down to this tweet right here, and if I could ask you to hit the like and the subscribe button, I'd appreciate that so much, guys. It gives me motivation to actually do this. And I would appreciate it. I'm going to do that giveaway again the end of the month. Gave away 188 last month, and all you have to do to enter is hit the subscribe button. That's it, and then you're entered. So let's go through this here. One of the largest self-custody Polygon addresses just moved 60 million tokens to an exchange, making the network's exchange supply jump to 7.92%, a 5-week high. Be cautious when whale exchange inflows happen. But note that the whale still owns 3.78 billion MATIC. Boy, wouldn't that be nice to own that much? Wow. Guy had over 4 billion MATIC. So he moved 60 million to an exchange. Guy, woman, the company, not sure. But they moved 60 million tokens to an exchange. All right, so down here it says, while such transfers can be an indication of market activity and liquidity, they can also lead to market volatility and price fluctuations, making it important for investors to exercise caution during such events. Whales or large holders often move their tokens to exchanges when they intend to sell. It bears mentioning that this particular whale holds self-custody. Thus, this might be a potential reason for a large move of tokens. However, it is worth noting that the whale still owns a significant amount of MATIC with 3.78 billion tokens in its possession. Yeah, that's a massive amount of tokens. Anyway, let's move on here. They could be moving it on there to sell them. Who knows? They could be moving them to stake them. You don't know what they're doing with them. They could be just moving them around. People do that from time to time, especially whales. That sometimes these wallets aren't touched for years, and then you'll see movement. They split stuff up into separate wallets, or it's hard to say what's going to happen. But here's your crypto bubbles. This is for the hourly. Okay, the daily. What is it? This is what really kind of hurts, but it is what it is. Bitcoin took that big dump earlier. Rumors out there that they were selling Silk Road and Mt. Gox Bitcoin, that the U.S. government was selling it. I don't know. I heard that's just a rumor, and the rumor of that set off selling panic, which caused a bunch of liquidations. I don't know. I know a bunch of liquidations did happen. A bunch of longs got squashed out, so there was a bunch of liquidations, but not sure what caused the sell-off there. I looked on Twitter, and all you seen was Mt. Gox Silk Road sell-off. U.S. government sells Bitcoin, but I don't even think that's true. I don't even like starting rumors like that. But anyway, it tanked a lot of the gains for the day. All right, COSPA, I love COSPA. That's still up almost 11%. But for the daily, you can see there. But for the hour, we're getting a bounce back. Like I said, it is what it is. You got to suck it up and move on. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index, the volume's up big time, 72.2%. Bitcoin dominance is up. The market cap is down 0.42%. Here's your top 100 cryptos for the day. And just a couple hours ago on the right-hand side, there was like 4 coins, and 2 of them were stable coins. So it sucked a lot of the liquidity out of the market real fast. If I go and show you that, I just want to show you this really quick, but then we'll get right back there to MATIC. But if you go to Bitcoin, just show you here real quick on the hourly. Look at that red candle. The thing that gives me optimism is look at the green one that came right after it. The red one's right there. This big sucker right there. but then you had all this buy-in coming in there, you know, right afterwards on the hourly. You know, if we flip it out to the 4, you can see, you know, 3 out of the last 4 hours were green hours, which means they were positive for buying in them hours. So that liquidity looks like it got sucked right up. You know, there was a bunch of buyers waiting down here. So, you know, so were they playing games again? Did whales push it down and buy back down here? I don't know. You know, nobody probably knows that answer except the people that did it, or company that caused it, or whatever happened there. So, but anyway, it got sucked up, and it's looking all right. So look, the dollar, the DXY is still falling. We expected that. This thing is down 0.39% today, down to 101.44. All right, and the daily RSI for that dollar is at the top. So looks like this thing's going to need to come down some. All right, last time it corrected on the daily, you know, it ran up here, and then this was the correction. You know, so I expected to break that 101.7 and come down here in the 90s somewhere. You know, I have an alarm set right here, but that will, every crypto bull run or alt season we've had a falling dollar. So let's get back to Polygon here. Love this token. Geez, I remember I first came into crypto, it was 4 cents. 4 cents I got it for, and geez, wish I would have got a lot more. That's for darn sure. Never thought that, you know, honestly, I was brand new, I was green. I thought that it'd be that price for a long time, but it's never even come back close again. So that's great, really. All right, we have major resistance up here at 118.5, and we have major support right now at 94.5. Okay, and the next level down after that is actually at 0.755, and these are weekly supports. Okay, I don't expect it to lose that 95 cent area. All right, if we do, then it's probably coming down towards the 75-80 cent area. One of the things that's optimistic to me right here, okay, if you look at the daily RSI on Polygon here, it's down at the bottom and it is bullish. Okay, I'm going to enlarge this a little bit so it's easier for you guys to see. Then I'm going to show you the weekly. The weekly is almost at the bottom. Okay, this thing hasn't been at the bottom since what, last December. Okay, so it's been that long, and last time it was at the bottom, let's see what happened here as far as gains. Okay, it went from here to there, 117%. Okay, the next time was right here. Let's see what it did there. Okay, it started down there and it went up to there, 225% gains. Okay, and all right, that was a downturn. That was the upturn. We had a little bump right in there. It's probably a lot bigger than you think. Yeah, 30%, 31%. And the other time was this one right here, which ran us up. Okay, we're going to go right from the dip. Right here, right, actually to the top. Let's see here. 180%. So you can see when these weekly RSIs reset, and it's only done at 1, 2, 3. This will be the 4th time. 1, 2. Oh, you had this little curve here, but down to the actual bottom. 1, 2, 3. This will be the 4th time. Okay, and if we did get, say we got it, say we just got 100% from here, okay, 100% gains would take us up to $1.94. All right, if that happened, okay, which from last events, okay, from, you know, if you use last price act, you know, 109. Okay, just to show you again real quick what it's done before. 109, 220. That one was what was that one? That one wasn't real big. 32, and then we had this massive one here, 180. Okay, so the average is roughly 100%. All right, so I'm not saying it's going to do that. Who knows? Could do nothing, could go to zero. You never know what will happen in this market. Okay, but this weekly is almost reset, so you can see that that turns out to normally be a very good thing. All right, and our daily, like I said, is bullish and at the bottom, so that's fantastic to see. It looks like we have reclaimed this trend line also. We're right on the thing just about. Well, looks like it has to come over actually a little bit here. I apologize. When you're looking at the weekly and then the daily, it believe it or not, it changes it a lot. So we're fighting to regain that now, but hopefully we hold that. Sorry about that. Jesus, almost like but that's all, folks. That 94.5, we should definitely hold that. Okay, like I said, if we don't, then it's going to come down into the 80s somewhere. All right, the worst case scenario down to 75 cents. I don't see it coming back down there again. I just don't. I mean, that's crazy. It really is. I mean, this is higher highs and higher lows. All right, we got a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low all together. Okay, these are higher highs and higher lows. So let's march on and wait for this daily and this weekly move out of this thing. But for right now, things look stable with this thing. All right, guys, thank you very much. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I will get back to you very soon.